You guys go through that same problem as well? Your friends actually make fun of you. Yeah, you go through it, right? I tell you guys a secret. In KL, there's this pub called Ram Jungle. Come on, kids. My friends used to call me, hey Ram! Ram Jungle. I was like, yeah bro, there's a jungle over here, but a forest down there. And there was once actually my friend actually said to me, he said, Ram, yesterday I went to Ram Jungle, you know. I told him, really? I opened my shirt. I never see you there also. I want to ask you guys a question as well. How many of you here like Pamela Anderson?
Yeah!
Make some noise, please. Make some noise. Yeah, exactly. If I want to ask one of you guys a question, like if I ask you, for example, if you think about Pamela Anderson, like, what is the first thing that comes to mind? Her boobs, right? Everyone agree with that?
Yeah!
Now I was thinking about her pussy. Seriously, you know why? Because she's a porn star, she would have fucked like millions of guys by now, right? Agree with me on that?
Yeah!
I would think that her pussy is so big that cars can go in, make a U-turn and come out. And you know, imagine if she dies. How are they going to actually pay tribute to her death? Along the highway, they'll build an arch shaped like a pussy. Cars going in and out. So technically speaking, even after she dies, she's still getting fucked. Yeah, and I got this one more story I want to share with you guys. How many of you guys have been to Bali before?
Yeah!
Like Bali? Oh yeah, okay, cool, yeah. I can see that, bro. No, the thing is Bali, right? When I went there, I was corresponding with this Balinese guy. His name was Lanchat. Seriously, my whole family, pretty of us, the family, we actually went to Bali, we took the trip, the driver picked us up from the airport, sent us to our villa where we were staying. So as, you know, the door opened from the villa, Lanchat was standing just in front of us. Then my uncle comes up, hey Lanchao! I'm Dicky! Meet my driver, Billy. I'm sure we'll get along just fine. Alright guys, thank you very much.